Jarvis, have you located the foreign transport yet?
Yes, sir. It's located outside the city.
Okay, let's roll out. Hope I sober up before I find this thing. Remind me never to drink with Thor again, will you?
The volatile energy levels contained within the vehicle are dangerously high.
Wow, look at that paint job. What is this, the 80s? Alright, run some scans for me. Unless you expect me to check under the hood myself.
Your sarcasm is, of course, always appreciated, sir.
Well, that's why I live and breathe, Jarvis. Gotta admit, this didn't make my list of things I planned for.
Tony Stark, I presume. What is it you've come here for?
Did you catch that, Jarvis?
Loud and clear, sir.
Good, because I just wanted to prove to the guys back at the office that my advertising isn't for nothing. This guy totally recognized me. My scanners indicate that you have more volatile hazardous energy in you than we generally like, and since I can't trust that something won't go wrong without a closer analysis, why don't you just come back with me to my lab and we'll get you looked at and then back on the road, trucking along, man.
You are not unknown to us. It is I who do not trust you, Tony Stark. Now stand aside.
Gotta say, it's a good thing I've been hacking you the whole time, because now it's done.
That information was not yours to take.
Hey, sharing is caring.
You have no idea what's at stake here.
Well, let's up the ante then.
You have made your choice, Stark.
No damage taken.
Glad you're here to tell me these things.
You will not emerge victoriously.
I disagree. Okay.
I would hate to be the one to say I told you so.
No, you wouldn't, Jarvis. How are power levels doing?
30%, sir.
All right. Calling in Veronica.
Fought well, but it is over. Stay down.
Not really my style. Oh, not good, not good.
This ends now.
Power levels are critically low at 2%.
Jarvis, activate Lucy. Jarvis, maximize tracking velocity. Jarvis. Jarvis, we have a problem. Disable the energy cannon.
Sorry, sir. He has compromised commands.
Jarvis, detonate the satellite.
The financial shackle.
Shut up, Jarvis. Kill Lucy. Yes.
Power levels charged up to 12%.
Okay. Call Rhodey for pickup. I'm starving.
Sir, it looks like we have incoming.
Oh, shit.
That's just